Hi guys, this is my sound bank from the chore on the SoundFont format, and let's just to go on the folder just to show you. Here, this is the sound bank chore. Let's to see the proper one. Which one is the to show you? So the five files folder, and all together is the 1 gigabyte and 45. It's not so bigger. Let's to going now just to show you again. I have from the Gregorian, from the Contact and Helion, this is the VST. I have the mix, Omnisphere and sample tank, and let's just to going on the extreme sample converter, and there to show to see the parameters and everything from the sample. So the first one on the Gregorian is the 87 presets layer, and let's to check one by one. The first one, right, the first one is the 13 samples. Let's see. This is the mono one. Let's see. Next one.
Wop, 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 bong, bong.
Next one. Is the 24 samples. Is the this chore. So all this bank on the Gregorian is the 605 megabytes. Let's to go in another one.
Da, da,
Da 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 da.
This is the more than 4 seconds. Is the this one? Let's see this one.
Do 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 do.
This is the SD90. Let's to see. This whoop is not good. Let's to go to another one. Some instruments is stereo, some is the mono. On the some instruments have the whoop, another one is not, because on the not from the everywhere whoop is working good. Yeah, whoop is good under this voice. Let's to see how is the. Right, let's to go on there. Chore here. 2. church one, let's to check. This is double one. This one. More. Do guys, let's to check this one. Right, let's to going on the next folder. The next folder from the contact Halion preset 43 presets. Let's to check something. Good one, this is. Bass. 12 samples here. Choromorph. Here's the 26 samples. Let's loop here. It's almost 4 seconds. Here's the 26 samples. Still going soprano. Let's check this one. Tenor. I have the mix, voice, just to sample. Oh, 26 samples here on this one, more. This one.
Down.
This is good one, clean, solid. Just it's 25 samples. Let's to check the next one. Enigma. Chor. Mix it, chor. Space Woman. Female chor. Let's to going on the Omnisphere. That's my favorite. I like it that this folder. I have the very good chore here. Let's to check. Is the boy chore? It's 37 samples. Let's to check. Let's to check next one. It's very good on this folder. 5 presets layer. Is the 359 megabytes is the this folder Omnisphere. Let's do going on there. It's very good as well. I think it need to be a swoop as well. Yeah. It's the 7 seconds. Let's check next one. It's not good, but that's the 7 seconds. It's enough longer. Let's check next one. Classic tenor. Tenor arpege. Classic tenor octave. Classic soprano. The English combiture. Gospel. The Gregorian, that is also is very good. With interval. Let's next one. Is the opposite interval. Gregorian. It's the normal one. Jazz combo. Let's just stack staccato. Another one. What is this one? Let's do going on the last one is the sample tank presets 23 presets layer. Let's check first one. Brazilian sustain. False chord. Check next one.
Do, 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 do. Right, so
more information from this package, just in the look below the video on my description. I will be put everything there just to see. Thank you very much for interesting and watch the video. Thank you.